Well, welcome in the kitchen. I'm so glad y'all are here. Welcome, one and all. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new, I'm so glad you stopped in. And I hope you find this welcoming environment. And you're going to hear my son throughout videos after video. And that's just the way he is. He's got autism, and this is our life. So welcome to my world. Maybe that's why I'll just start my videos instead of welcome in the kitchen. It's welcome to my world. I had a request to do my Mommas tuna salad. So we're going to do that. I have got 1 can solid white tuna in water. And I'm going to drain this. Got this little handy dandy drainer thing here. And you just put it on top there and squeeze it down. Just like this. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but I drained it there in the sink. All right, we got all the water out of it. All right, that's our base, our tuna fish, because it's a tuna salad, right? Okie doke. Now then, Mama always put a pepper. Mama always put celery. And Mama always put some little tomatoes. Okay? So, let's get our pepper cut. I forgot a knife. I thought I was doing so well. But I did not. I'm going to trim this off here. The top of that pepper. We rinse that off. We don't need a lot because I'm not making a lot. So I'm not going to use the whole pepper. I'm just going to use this top portion. And I'll probably use about 1 little piece of celery. I'll fix 2 because I might just eat a piece of celery. Okay. Trim those off. And rinse them good. Some water. And you know what? I've got these little baby tomatoes. I think that's what we'll use today because I just need to cut them in 2. All right. Rinse these off, y'all. This is so quick. So easy to put together. All right, so I've got my chopper. That's what I'm going to do with our celery and our peppers. Andy, can you turn that down just a little bit for Mama? Thank you. All right, there's that. And we're going to do this. All right. See, that was quite a bit, wasn't it? I probably could have used another can of tuna, but that's okay. I'm going to get a bigger bowl. Let's get us a little bit bigger bowl. I'm going to pull some of that right there back out because that's a lot. All right. Now then, let's cut up our little tomatoes. And I'll just cut these in half. Just like this. All right. Now then, there's our basic tuna salad. I hope y'all can see everything I did. Turn y'all down just a little bit. You might not have been able to see what I did. All right, now then, we need just a spoonful of mayo. And just a little dash or two, about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Mama used apple cider vinegar for everything. For everything. That was her vinegar of choice. All right, we're going to put just a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And then we taste it. Because that's what Mom always did. And then we give it a good mix. Just like this. Now, how's that look? Doesn't that look yummy? So comforting. It's been a while since I've made this. I'd forgotten how good that was, y'all. I really had. I think it needs just a little bit more salt. Just a little bit more salt. I think he's going to have a bowl full of cookies. That's what it looks like. Andy, you want some of this tuna? Andy, you want some of this tuna salad?
Yes.
All right, let Mama get you a little bowl. Wait just a minute. Get you a fork. Take it over there and sit down.
Yes.
Here, get you a fork. You can't eat it with your fingers. All right. Here's your tea. All right, we're going to eat our lunch of tuna salad. Y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.